Okay, so here it is unwrapped. As you see here, this is the cover for it. You have to push the button down for the blue thing to come right off. And there you have it. It plugs into the vehicle. Now the problem with this is if you were to charge this outside, I don't believe there's a way to protect it, because you're pretty much just leaving it outside. Someone can just come along, steal it, and probably resell it on eBay or something. Just gonna plug it in. So doesn't reach, so I'm gonna try to get some more distance on this thing. Has this nice little neat Velcro straps. Helps keep it intact. Nicely coiled up. I'm going to take them off. Some more distance on this thing. Oh, we're going to pop open the charging port. Now the button is about right here at the bottom. Just pull it. Opens it right up. So, just lift it. Now here, this is the level 3 charger. This is the level 1 and level 2 charging port. Now, for the 110, for the 120 volt, there is no onboard charger. The charger is that right there. That's the trickle charger. This goes ahead and plugs in like so. The car's charging. If you look over here, there's 3 dots. 3 lights right there. The first one means 33%, second one means 66, last one means 100. If the last one was blinking, that means it's between 66 and 100%.